October 28, 2017 by Louis Casey. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.31 in 2017 Q2. It's up 0.08 from 1.23 in 2017 Q1. It improved, as 19 investors sold Teledyne Technologies Incorporated shares while 70 reduced holdings. 40 funds opened positions while 77 raised stakes. 29.02 million shares or 1.08% less from 29.34 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. California State Teachers Retirement SYS holds 0.02% of its portfolio in Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE for 64,231 shares. Thompson Davis invested in 253 shares or 0.05% of the stock. Price T. Rowe Essex Inc. MD holds 0.05% in Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE or 2.07 million shares. Texas-based Capstone Asset Management has invested 0.02% in Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE. State Treasurer State of Michigan holds 0.01% or 14,500 shares. Clinton GRP Inc. reported 0.16% in Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE. Dimensional Fund ADVSRLP holds 415,160 shares. Whittier Trucom of Nevada reported 572 shares stake. Alliance Bernstein LP holds 21,332 shares. C Global Investments invested in 839,175 shares or 2.03% of the stock. Ironwood Investment Management accumulated 2,711 shares or 0.25% of the stock. Q's Limited Liability Company holds 0% or 5 shares in its portfolio. Mutual of America Capital Management LLC accumulated 0.15% or 67,747 shares. Lorien Management Limited Partnership has invested 0.03% in Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE. Parkside Savings Bank True invested in 68 shares or 0% of the stock. Since May 25, 2017, it had 1 buy and 4 selling transactions for $698,458 activity. Meridian Robert bought $1.29 million worth of stock or 10,000 shares. Shares for $467,652 were sold by Lorne Simon M. Shares for $524,000 were sold by Von Schack Wesley W. on Wednesday, May 31. $404,156 worth of Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE was sold by Smith Michael T. Analysts expect Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE to report $1.62 EPS on November 2. They anticipate 10 cents EPS change or 6.58% from last quarter's $1.52 EPS. TDY's profit would be $57.20 million, giving it 25.96 PE if the $1.62 EPS is correct. After having $1.74 EPS previously, Teledyne Technologies Incorporated's analysts see 6.90% EPS growth. The stock increased 0.31% or 52 cents on October 27, reaching $168.22. About 78,155 shares traded. Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE has risen 37.51% since October 28, 2016 and is uptrending. It has outperformed by 20.81% the SP 500. Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE ratings coverage among 3 analysts covering Teledyne Tech NYSE 1 have buy rating, 0 sell and 2 hold. Therefore 33% are positive. Teledyne Tech had 9 analyst reports since October 6, 2015 according to SratingSintel. The company was maintained on Friday, July 7 by Jefferies. The company was maintained on Tuesday, June 6 by Jefferies. The firm has neutral rating given on Wednesday, July 6 by CL King. The company was maintained on Thursday, August 3 by Jefferies. On Wednesday, July 5 the stock rating was upgraded by Needham to buy. The company was maintained on Friday, October 6 by Jefferies. The firm earned hold rating on Tuesday, October 6 by Needham. The company was maintained on Tuesday, September 5 by Jefferies. The firm has hold rating given on Friday, July 14 by Jefferies. Teledyne Technologies Incorporated provides enabling technologies for industrial growth markets. The company has market cap of $5.94 billion. The company's divisions include instrumentation, digital imaging, aerospace and defense electronics, and engineered systems. It has a 30.97 PE ratio. Instrumentation segment provides monitoring and control instruments for marine, environmental, industrial and other applications, as well as electronic test and measurement equipment. Another recent and important Teledyne Technologies Incorporated NYSE news was published by BusinessWire.com, which published an article titled Teledyne to Acquire Scientific Systems, Inc. on July 13, 2017. Receive news ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our free daily email newsletter.